Bonjour à tous! I'm thrilled to take you behind the scene of the incredible Fête des Copeaux festival held in Crolles, France. Sponsored by LaserPecker, I had the opportunity to showcase the magic of laser engraving and crafting with wood at this wonderful event. At our stall, I proudly presented an array of unique gifts and enchanting Christmas decoration, all skillfully crafted using the incredible LaserPecker machine. But the real magic happened at our interactive stand. Children and adults alike poured their creativity into paper, drawing with joy. With a quick snap using my iPad, their art came to life as we laser engraved over 60 drawings into wood samples freshly collected from our garden. What captivated everyone was the simplicity and speed of the engraving process. No laptops or complex software were needed. It was as easy as drawing, snapping, and engraving. The kids found it mesmerizing, and the adults were amazed by the compact yet powerful technology of the LaserPecker. We even had craftsmen and fellow exhibitors swing by to add their signature touch into their creation. It was heartwarming to see the community coming together to celebrate art, craftsmanship, and innovative technology. What an incredible day! With over 1,000 visitors, their joy and excitement truly made it special. Merci to everyone who stopped by at our stall and experienced the wonder of LaserPecker. Until next time, keep creating magic!